We're here with the legendary Raymond Blanc to talk about fighting food waste at home.
Welcome at the Manoir, my friend, okay? And you come in the right home. Let's talk about food waste, okay?
Fantastic. Thank you, Chef. So, Chef, with the inflation of food costs going through the roof at the moment, what tips could you give our home cooks and our home shoppers, our mums, how to save them few pennies here and there?
To use seasonality is very important. When it's seasonal, it's fresh, it's close to home, it's less expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, and if you can also freeze your food, buy a big fat freezer, put it in the garage, okay, or in the back room, and you can fill it up with all the peas, the French beans, the carrots that you can stock up, okay, and use in the winter.
But when they defrost these ingredients, will they lose their flavour? And do you have any tips on the best way to defrost these ingredients?
The flavour is hardly altered. And as long as it's frozen fresh, and that's important, because if it's frozen fresh, it retains 90% of its flavour, 90% of its texture, and at least 100% of its nutrients. Simply cook them directly, just a bit of water, dash of olive oil, or tiny bit of butter, pinch of salt, and just you steam them fast, full bowl, covered, and you just steam is going to cook them in defrost and cook them within 3 or 4 minutes.
Perfect. Chef Raymond Blanc, thank you so much for talking about fighting food waste at home with us today. I'm Chef Dan. This is the legend that is Raymond Blanc, and thank you very much.